Hi, I'm Jennifer Soames with In-Stride Bodywork, delivering freedom from chronic pain and the joy that comes with getting your life back. Now today I want to wrap up our 4-part series in teaching you how to open up through the front of the hip joints, the hip flexors, and freeing the front of the spine so that you can also get some lasting relief for your low back pain. So this particular version is again one where you don't have to get down on the ground, because for some people getting down on their knees and getting it down onto the floor is really difficult and really not available. So I want to show you one more way that you can do this, and it involves lying on, it could be your bed, it could be the edge of a couch, or a piece of furniture that will work for you. So I'm just going to demonstrate on my table here, and for this one I just bring myself onto my back with my knees bent, and I scoot myself very close to the edge, and just make sure you're not too close, you don't want to fall off. So here we're going to focus on lengthening out through the right front of the hip joint, right hip flexor. So make sure your spine is starting from a nice long and neutral position. So tuck the chin just a little bit so that the back of the neck nicely rests on the table, and just take your right leg and just allow it to drape off the edge of whatever piece of furniture you're lying on, whether that's your bed or the edge of a couch or another piece that works for you. Now I'm pretty flexible and I'm pretty open, so my foot can easily reach the ground. But for some of you that might not be available to you yet. So feel free to have something underneath you. You can use another piece of furniture, a box, some books, whatever you need to make sure that your leg isn't totally dangling and wanting to pull you off the table. You can keep your knee bent just as I have it here, or you can place your hands just below your knee, just on the top of your shin, and gently pull the knee into your chest, whichever one feels best for you. And of course I'm having to talk to you and not keeping my neck neutral, but when you do this on your own, you're going to want to just be looking straight toward the sky with your chin gently tucked. So hang out here for as long as you need to, take a few deep breaths in and out, and allow just gravity to help you open and lengthen through the front of the hip joint. Now if this is difficult on your low back, then you might want to try one of the other variations that I've shown you. To come out of this, just bring your knees back up, roll onto your side, and using your arms, press yourself all the way back up. Now if your back is chronically an issue for you, you sit a lot, and low back pain has been something that you've struggled with, then I invite you to come in for a session where I can teach you even more tools that I have in my toolbox that we can tailor to you and customize treatment and education to meet your needs and your goals. So I'm Jennifer with In-Stride Bodywork, and I look forward to seeing you soon.